A written maintenance request system protects both landlords and tenants. It creates a documented record of repair issues, establishes when notice was given, and tracks completion. Welcome to tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. Here's how to use a maintenance request system effectively. A maintenance request form collects the essential information needed to address a repair: the tenant's name and contact information, the rental unit address, the date of the request, a description of the issue, its location in the unit, and the severity or urgency. Having tenants submit repair requests in writing, rather than by text or phone call, creates a clear record. If a dispute arises later about whether a repair was reported or when, you have the documentation. Most states' implied warranty of habitability requires landlords to make repairs within a reasonable time after receiving notice. What's reasonable depends on the severity of the issue. A broken heater in winter requires more urgency than a cosmetic issue. A written maintenance request establishes the date notice was received. Log each request, the date you received it, the action taken, and the date of completion. This maintenance log protects you if a tenant later claims repairs were ignored. Our free maintenance request form is suitable for both paper and digital submission. For the free form and landlord maintenance resources, visit tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com.